Mistplay usually crashes on a single game when that game's cache data gets corrupted, or when your phone is running an outdated WebView or Android system WebView component. That mismatch breaks the game container Mistplay uses to launch offers. By the end of this, you'll know how to stop a single game from crashing inside Mistplay without deleting your rewards progress or reinstalling everything blindly. First thing is clearing the game-specific cache, not just Mistplay itself. Go into your phone settings, open apps, find Mistplay, then storage, and tap Clear Cache. Do the same for the specific game that keeps crashing if it shows up in your app list. This removes broken temporary files that often cause instant shutdowns when a game loads a reward ad or login screen. Next issue is WebView. Mistplay relies on Android system WebView or Chrome to load game content inside its offer walls. If that component is outdated or disabled, only certain games will crash while others still work. Open the Play Store and search for Android System WebView and Google Chrome. Update both, if an update is available. Then restart your phone so the system reloads the updated rendering engine. If the crash only happens on mobile data or only on Wi-Fi, it's usually a network handshake failure with the game server. Switch networks and try again. If it works on one connection, reset your network settings in your phone, settings to clear broken DNS or cached routing. Another common cause is battery or data restriction. Open Settings, go to Battery, then App Battery Usage, and set Mistplay to Unrestricted. Do the same in Data Saver settings and allow background data. If Mistplay is blocked from running background processes, certain games will fail to initialize properly. If nothing changes, reinstalling Mistplay is the last step, but only after checking that your account is linked to Google or email inside the app. Uninstall. Restart your phone, then reinstall from the Play Store, so the app rebuilds clean system files. To sum it up, most single game crashes come from corrupted cache data, outdated WebView components, or network and battery restrictions. Fix those 3 areas first before touching your account or rewards. If this fixed your issue, the next step is to test one more game immediately to confirm the system is stable again, then keep WebView updated so the crash doesn't return. Subscribe for more Mistplay fix guides that focus on specific errors without wiping your progress.